Hey everyone, my name is Jason Ashton. I am a modern application solution specialist here at NGINX. I've come to learn that most of our customers are familiar with NGINX. Most companies are using NGINX in some capacity, and it's mostly the open source. What I wanted to talk about is what you might not know about the NGINX platform and why we're seeing rapid adoption and a major value to our customers for incorporating some of the additional capabilities. So I've gotten in the habit of trying to take every opportunity I can to ensure that everyone understands the breadth of the NGINX value proposition. It's no secret every company is dealing with some level of complexity or tool sprawl, the siloed teams that have little or no communication back and forth, little or no visibility of the things that are important and critical to maintain a healthy ecosystem. And all of these things are keeping them from moving into that modernized or digitally transformed version or place that they're striving to get to. And one of the reasons NGINX has such a huge value proposition for organizations with these challenges is because of how much money it's costing in lost production and time. This is a huge problem. And what we're finding is most companies don't even have the ability to even measure how big of a problem this is. But I can tell you for sure that we're seeing it every single day. And so the NGINX Application Platform and its full breadth of production grade enterprise capabilities is really important to talk about. NGINX, along with F5, is the first purpose-built platform to not only support your modernized applications and the teams that run them, but the NGINX Application Platform is the catalyst that our customers are using to help speed up their adoptions of these modernized architectures. NGINX provides unmatched capabilities for all of your modernized application needs, and we significantly reduce the number of solutions, the tools, the management overhead, and the complexity involved in your application data path. Our customers are seeing a return on their investment right away. And it's not only the return on the investment immediately, but it's helping them fast track their efforts into this more modernized or digitally transformed version of themselves. So all of this is to say, if you weren't aware of the breadth of the NGINX application platform, here's just a sample of what we're providing for companies to help them on their journey to modernized architectures. And we'd love the chance to learn more about your specific challenges and goals. And maybe there's a reason to take a closer look at NGINX and F5 to help solve them. Thank you again. My name is Jason Ashton. I'm a modern application solution specialist here at NGINX, and I welcome your questions and look forward to speaking with you.